how does a seller help, maybe, or maybe an agent like you, how do they help them make that decision process a little easier?
Yeah, that's really good. I think as a seller, there's only so much you can do.
Okay.
So I think last time you and I spoke, and I know we've spoken since, I used the word millennialize your house.
Mm,
So if you're a seller and you have the capacity and the ability to update the home in
mhm.
a way that's going to appeal, again, when I say appeal to millennials, you're trying to appeal to the biggest buying pool,
Right.
right? It doesn't matter if they're millennial, Gen X, Gen
Right.
Y, or whatever it is. So that's usually in furnishings. You could stage the home to make it more appealing.
Mm,
It's finished colors on flooring,
mm,
the Brazilian cherry or the darker wood floors, not the mahoganies or the chestnuts.
right.
They may not be as appealing as to the bleached driftwood look.
Right.
So again, it depends on your budget, but doing paint like with the walls here,
Right.
removing artifacts, which is a polite way of saying your personal stuff,
Mhm.
is one thing you can do.